Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a custom page status in Confluence. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to make your workflow so much clearer, whether you're tracking drafts, approvals, or any unique status your team needs. Custom page statuses help everyone stay on the same page, literally, so your projects run smoother and your updates stand out. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Confluence account just like you normally would. Go ahead and log in, and don't worry if things take a moment to load. Sometimes Confluence needs a second to pull up all your spaces and pages, especially if your team uses it a lot. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a list of all your Confluence spaces. Take a moment to scroll through and select the space you're working on. This is important because statuses are tied to specific pages within each space. Make sure you're in the right workspace before moving ahead. If you're juggling a few projects like I often am, double-check here, just so you don't accidentally add a status to the wrong team's page. Now, with your space selected, click to open the actual page that you want to update. Maybe it's your project brief, your weekly notes, or a brainstorm doc, whatever you need to flag with a special status. Click on that page to bring it up in the main window. Here, where it gets interesting, take your mouse and hover it right above the page title at the top of the screen. A little menu will appear. Sometimes it takes a second to pop up, so don't rush it. Hovering here is kind of like unlocking a secret menu. It gives you access to features you might not use every day, including the ability to add a status that stands out. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Status. Go ahead and click it. Think of this like planting a little flag on your page. You're about to create a label that the whole team can see instantly when they open this document. A small box will appear where you can type in the name of your custom status. This is your chance to be as descriptive as you need. Maybe you write on hold, like in this example, if the page is waiting for sign-off or ready for review or anything your workflow needs. Creating your own terms makes tracking progress so much easier because it matches your team's language and process. Now, here's a nice touch. You can customize the color of your status. Color coding is powerful. Think of it like traffic lights for your pages. In this case, if you pick on hold, you might want to set the color to red, signaling that this page shouldn't move forward yet. To do that, just click on the color palette and choose red. Don't hesitate to match colors to whatever makes sense for your team, maybe green for approved, yellow for in progress, and so on. Once you're happy with the name and color, all it takes is to hit save. And that's it. Your custom status now appears right at the top of the page, ready to guide your team. If you ever want to change it or remove it, just repeat these steps and update as you go. This little status cue can really boost your project's clarity and keep communication strong. If this walkthrough helped you add some polish and organization to your Confluence space, give this video a thumbs up. Got questions or want to share how your team uses custom statuses? Drop a comment below. I love hearing your stories and happy to help. And if you want more straightforward tech tutorials like this, remember to subscribe for the latest tips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.